Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create and send Grabify links on your mobile device to track clicks. Let's get started. Step 1 is to create a Grabify tracking link. Open your web browser and go to Grabify. Paste the URL you want to track and input the field. Tap Create URL to generate a track link. The step 2 is to customize your link. This is just an optional. Just simply click Customize Link to make it look like more legitimate. Choose a name and save the changes. Step 3 is to copy and send the link. Tap Copy and then copy the tracking link and send it via email, messaging apps, or social media, whichever you preferred. Step 4 is to track clicks and details. Return to Grabify and enter your tracking code. Click Tracking Code to see details like IP address, location, device information. And that's it. Now you can easily track who clicks on your Grabify link. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you into the next one.